Why ColAura's wireless wonders make DIY labels addictively easy. Ever felt like your printing tools are plotting against you, spitting out faded labels, or demanding endless ink refills that drain your wallet and patience? It's that nagging frustration when creativity stalls because setup feels like a battlefield. Sound familiar? Drop a comment with your wildest printing horror story. Let's laugh it off together. Brother ColAura flips the script with its Inkless ZINK wizardry, whispering promises of effortless, vibrant prints that actually stick around. Picture this: deadlines looming like storm clouds, stress piling up as your old printer chokes on another jam, leaving you burned out and buried in half-finished projects. The chaos? It's real, turning simple tasks into marathons. But imagine reclaiming control with a sly sidekick that prints full-color labels and photos wirelessly, no ink drama required. Brother ColAura sneaks in that game-changing ease. Could it be the witty escape your workflow craves? Enter the Brother ColAura photo and label printer in sleek white, a compact rebel that shatters the ink slavery status quo with ZINK Zero Ink technology, embedding vivid colors right into the paper for smudge-proof, heat-activated magic. No more messy cartridges, just wireless bliss from your phone or tablet via the intuitive app, churning out custom stickers, photo labels, or event badges up to 2 inches wide in resolutions that pop like fresh confetti. Here's one way ColAura saved the day for a busy crafter. Sarah, knee-deep in wedding favors, whipped up personalized photo tags in minutes, ditching our clunky old setup that would have taken hours and an ink fortune. The sensory thrill? That crisp, peel-and-stick satisfaction, colors so rich they almost hum with energy. It's versatile for everything from home decor hacks to small business branding, portable enough to tuck in a bag for on-the-go genius. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end that turns ordinary rolls into extraordinary reveals. Your projects will thank you with that intuitive spark of, "Why didn't I do this sooner?" Now, lean in. Brother ColAura doesn't just print, it supercharges your efficiency, sharpening focus so you glide through tasks with laser-like performance, leaving burnout in the dust. Imagine labels that adhere like loyal friends to jars, files, or gifts. Photos emerging vibrant and water-resistant for scrapbooks that whisper memories without fading. Thousands can't stop buzzing about it. One craft influencer gushed, "This little white wonder turned my chaotic desk into a creative haven. Colors pop like fireworks, and setup, a dreamy 5-minute flirtation." An office analyst nailed it. ColAura's ZINK edge slashes waste, making it the eco-smart choice for pros ditching ink myths. "My workflow hummed 40% smoother overnight." Real users echo the hype. A small business owner shared, "Labeled my products in a flash. Sales spiked because they looked pro." Game changer. Even skeptics handling objections like, "Isn't it pricey on rolls?" counter with, "Nah, the durability pays off. One roll outlasts a dozen ink fails." See why it's hypnotic? That playful portability frees you from cords, blending seamless app templates with your wild ideas. Which feature would save your day? Wireless printing or inkless freedom? Comment below and let's swap stories. Feel that pull yet? The subtle thrill of untapped potential humming under your fingertips? Limited stock alert. Join the thousands who've already leveled up their crafts with Brother ColAura's Inkless revolution. From experts calling it a niche-crushing beast to users raving, "My labels never looked this alive." Don't let scarcity snag your edge. If you're wrestling with dull prints or setup headaches, this may change your game. Click now and unlock a secret app template that makes custom photo stickers a breeze. Comment yes if you want the insider tip. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today.